The Primus washing machine error code E2 indicates a problem with the drain mechanism, meaning the machine is unable to drain wastewater properly, which can lead to catastrophic failure. This error code can be caused by several issues, including problems with the drain hose, such as clogging and material buildup, which can occur when the rubber hose behind the machine becomes blocked. Another possible cause is an issue with the drain pump, which can become jammed, making a struggling sound when attempting to pump out water. A drive belt fault can also occur, where the belts driving the drain pump, located beneath the washing machine motor, become loose or broken, resulting in slow or no drainage. Additionally, a kinked drain hose can lead to drainage issues, potentially damaging the drain pump. To fix the error code E2, it is essential to unclog the drain hose by following a procedure that involves unplugging the machine, accessing the back, using a container to collect any spillage, and blowing air through the hose to check for obstructions. Ensuring the drain pump is working properly by removing any obstructions within the system can also fix the issue. Furthermore, verifying that the drive belt is securely attached to the pulleys, tightening it if loose, or replacing it if broken, can resolve the problem. Finally, checking that the hose is not kinked by smoothing out any creases and eliminating bends can help resolve the error code E2.